A raw vegan fig pudding. How to make low-fat, no added sugar, not even cooked fig pudding that is so delicious that it will bust your cravings for sugar. You want to drop out the refined sugar, you want to drop out the white sugar, so make this recipe at your home to eat fig pudding. Hi, this is Dr. Corassa. I have made these 4 recipe videos that will follow on the channel almost 10 years ago, but I haven't published them. So I would like you to see the recipes and enjoy as much as I did creating them and recording them. Watch until the end and give me a comment below.
Hi, this is Eduardo Corassa, a raw food chef from Brazil, and today I'm going to present a fig pudding. So, for this recipe, we're going to need fresh figs, like 800 grams, almost a kilo, and dried figs, approximately 200 grams to 250 grams. It's only this. The recipe is pure fig, but pure deliciousness. And the dehydrated figs will give the consistency of the pudding and the sweetness of it. So preferably we're going to use the most sweet figs that you find and the most ripe ones, okay, when the fruit is really mushy and soft. So we take out these stems because they are quite tough and you can feel it if you blend with it. And all the dehydrated figs, but they also have stems, so if you can take them out, it's better. One important part is always adding the fresh figs first, because when they hit the blade of the blender, they release their liquids and make easier for the blender to mix. And it even makes easier, and you don't even stress the blender with so many dense things without liquid. You can also soak the figs, the dried figs, but it will take out a little bit of the flavor and the pudding consistency. So now let's turn on the blender and make some delicious fig pudding. Ideally, it's better to blend for a minute or so to get a better consistency and to have sure that all the dried fruit was broken into microparticles and releasing their sugar into the fig pudding, or else we get like big chunks of dried fruit and the pudding will not be as sweet as it should be. The consistency we are seeking is like this, really tough. When you try to move the blender, and it doesn't, the fig pudding almost doesn't move. Stay still. Now we're going to serve. So now we're going to open one dried fig and with our fingers get these little balls and a little bit of the dried sugars on it and make really little and soft balls so you can spread out through the dessert. It's just to make the presentation looks better. Actually, taste wise it doesn't make any difference. And now the best part, tasting it. So delicious and consistent. It tastes like the best fig pudding I ever had. If if you want to enrich a little bit the experience, you can freeze it. You can put it on the refrigerator for a couple hours or even a day. The next day, this will be even better. See you in the next recipe video.
So do you like the video? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notification, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and also share. If you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I attend patients online and in private sessions. I run retreats here in Brazil. I have 6 online courses, but it's still in Portuguese, and I have 10 books that are being translated to English. The most recent one is the Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, the Natural Delicacy Cooking Without a Stove, and the Eden's Diet, the Guide to Raw Foods, the original diets. You can order them on Amazon, on print on demand, or in Kindle, and to arrive at your home, the printed version, so you can read the best there's out there on lifestyle medicine, the modern natural hygiene lifestyle medicine. So if you want to learn and to change your daily habits to more healthy habits, more healthy life, don't forget to read and click these videos to know more.